Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Romulo Mong Reforzado, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Philip Sison, International Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Lady Sailors of the Philippine Navy. Wearing jersey number 2, Cecile Tabuena Cruzada. At number 5, Mai Molit Prochina. Wearing jersey number 7, Suzanne Roses. At number 12, Janet Serafica. Wearing jersey number 17, Michelle Mikmik Laborte. At number 19, Marisa Nene Bautista. Libero, number 6, Marilu Galido. Playing coach, Ms. Nene Ibanez. Calling on our Water Dragons from Maynilad. At number 3, Saivi Artates. Wearing jersey number 4, Charis Ancheta, team captain. At number 5, Mervic Vec Mangi. Wearing jersey number 11, Nika Nacela Guliman. At number 12, Melissa Bonsai Mirasol. And with jersey number 14, Joy Gazelle Cases. Pero, number 10, Joanne Aison. Head coach, Mr. BJ Sacramento.
Well, as you can see, the starters for the Lady Water Dragons are Tates Ancheta, Mangi, Guliman, Mirasol, Cases. On the other side, it's Bautista, Laborte, Cruzada, Serafica, and Roses. Napaka-star-studded rin itong Navy squad natin. And, you know, again, it's a mixture of old and new. Ay, old na naman! Season and the new. And it brings really a lot of, hindi lang memories, kundi a lot of learning.
Yes,
diba?
A lot of teaching points.
A lot of teaching, a lot of learning for the new and young volleyball players. And tayo namang audience, tuwang-tuwa tayo because nakikita natin yung mga old style of volleyball playing, yung trying to outsmart each other through different ways na hindi na natin masyado nakikita. But then, in the same way, na-appreciate din natin yung very skilled players na yan ang ating of the moment. Yan ang napapansin natin, yung mga players natin, very athletic.
And throughout the years, most of these faces, hindi natin nakikita naglalaro. Meron mga ilan-ilan.
Yes, that's true.
Guest players. Pero,
sabi nga namin, comebacking players, diba?
Oo, they're back. Meron kasamang kidlat sa dulo, and they're back. Kasi umuulan-ulan sa labas, ayan.
May konting ganyan.
And a lot of collegiate stars playing for the Water Dragons. Once ay Mirasol used to play for San Sebastian at kasama niya dyan si Pepito. Samantalang ito si Joy Cases, Saivi Artates, Nika Guliman, Lyceum, itong mga lalakang ito.
Lyceum and San Sebastian players for the Maynila.
Si Beck Mangis from NU, di ba?
Yan, naligaw.
Mahusay kasi. Yan ang leading scorer for Maynila, rejected.
May Prochina and Laborte.
Rosemary Prochina and Cecil Cruzada have been likewise playing excellent volleyball for the Navy team. Laging Nene Bautista, laging Mikmik Laborte. Two-time MVP Roses. Excellent setter Janet Serafica. Pero Cruzada and Prochina, mabigat din ang nilalaro.
Ay, mabigat talaga. Lalo na si Mayi, Prochina, Pag nakita mo sa harap mo yan, mahirap-hirap talaga. Mababago mo yung spike points.
Joy Cases going over the two blockers. Janet Serafica, back set.
But Mayi, on the back set.
Charis Ancheta going to an attacker. Nene Bautista with an off-speed hit. By design ba yun o miss hit yun? Janet Serafica.
And a nice quick in by Mayi Prochina.
Yun yung sinasabi natin eh. Kasi kung dalawa lang, pwedeng markahan. Ang dami eh.
Pero itong si Mayi, minsan makikita mo siguro on the heavy side siya. But you can see, no, she can still manage to hit a quick hit.
Yes.
Kasi yan ang mental toughness and competitiveness na sinasabi natin you would appreciate from older players.
Saka masarap din. As we take a look at this nice jump serve, scoring off a point in this play. Masarap din yung nakakalaro mo yung mga bagets. Parang may osmosis eh.
Oo.
Merong transfer of new
Yes.
blood, no?
At ayaw mo magpatalo.
Yes.
That spirit of competition.
Hindi nawawala. And finally, Nika Guliman scoring off that running hit para dito sa Water Dragons. 4 against 2. Yan, nakain na natin to kanina. If it's from family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Pero gusto ni Mahan, may hot sauce.
Gusto ni
Doon
Mahan.
sa macaroni niya.
Mga 5 piraso.
Oo, mahina pala. Dapat ma-face of the day for 2 straight games itong si Mahan para mabusog sa ating Shakey's Pizza.
Nene Bautista on that middle hit on the back row.
5-2 in the first set. Once an MVP when she played for Adamson in the title run sa unang titulo ng Adamson.
Artates came flying in the middle for that one. Artates na to serve for Maynilad. Of course, to Maynilad. Nasabi ko nga, ito yung nag-champion sa MVP Cup.
Pati yung basketball team niya, ang lakas. Sino ang coach nun?
Ay, ang galing.
Ano pangalan?
Yung driver ko.
Si Ferdinand. Ferdinand Bong Robena. 5-4 for the Maynilad Water Dragons. 3 military teams, 3 universities, and 1 commercial team. Yan, yung Maynilad Water Dragons.
Nice, ano?
Magandang combo.
Maganda. Sabi ko, ang daming learnings, ang daming teachings. Very nice.
Ganun naman talaga eh. Kung ano yung meron ngayon, dahil wala yung ibang school teams, you have to adapt. That's why you consider this as a pilot conference. So, isang open setup. Kaya nakapaglaro ang tatlong military teams, ang Philippine Navy, Philippine Army, and Philippine Air Force. And of course, yung tatlong universidad nandito pa rin. Pero itong Maynilad, ngayon lang nagkaroon niya ng commercial team, ano?
Kasi each one brings a different kind of game.
Different personality. 6-4 first set. Beck Mangi going over Sue Rosas and Janet Serapica.
And
Yes.
maybe this is the brand of play that they bring in this open conference. Talaga kahit sino, kahit saan, pwedeng pumalo.
Parang bangko. Oo, bukas maski Sabado. Ito, Martes tayo ng hapon, maulan sa labas, mainit ang laro dito sa loob. Maynilad hoping that they can crash the quarterfinals. Philippine Navy looking to stay close sa pace-setting Philippine Army na merong unbeaten record. Solid blocker, yes.
Support was there, so Mangi is able to drop this play. Close to the net.
1 versus 2, Suroses getting
Coming.
that advantage. Oy.
Perfect Mangi, not timing that well.
8-4 first set, first technical timeout. Abante ang Philippine Navy. Perfect.